Hello friends, once again I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today's topic is some of the periodical essays that published in the history of English literature. And friends, it is very important topic if you are planning for qualifying NET or SET or JRF, because sometimes many questions are asked, repeatedly asked questions from these periodical essays. So let's start it. First one, let's learn about what is periodical essay and who coined this term. This particular genre of periodical essay began in 1691 by John Dunton in Athenian Gazette. Yes, John Dunton was the person who began this genre of writing periodical essay. In Athenian Gazette, he published a first periodical essay in 1691. Then this term was first used by George Coleman. Yes, before it was published, it was not known as periodical essay, but after published by John Dunton and many periodical essays after him, so George Coleman and Bonnell Thornton, two people were there who coined this term, this writing as periodical essay. They described this writing as periodical essay in Connoisseur magazine published by them. Yes, it was published between 1754 to 56. So we have five different periodical essays today. The first one is the Tatler. Tatler was published between 1709 to 1711 and it was published by Richard Steele. Richard Steele was the person who published this particular magazine, and many essays were published in this particular magazine, and it was published three times a week. Yes, three times a week. Every week it was published, and 3 days were there: Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, on which this Tatler was published by Richard Steele, and it was mainly focused on news and theater. Yes, two themes are major themes in Tatler. It was news and theater. So friends, Tatler was published by Richard Steele three times a week: Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. You can remember these 3 days, for example, like TTS. TTS is a short form we can create for remembering these particular uh, days of publishing this Tatler. Yes, and the main focus was on news and theater. Then the second one is the Spectator, very famous and popular periodical essay at that time. It was published around 1711 to 1712, and triple five numbers were there. It ran for triple five numbers, 555 numbers. It was published, and it was published by Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. Richard Steele is also once again here along with Joseph Addison. He started this periodical essay. It was published daily. Yes, it was published on daily basis. Every day it was published with 3000 copies. Yes, 3000 copies were published on daily basis of the Spectator. And the main theme in these periodical essays was common life of London people. Yes, it was a document focusing mainly on common life of London people. Then the Female Spectator. The Female Spectator was published by Eliza Haywood as a response to the Spectator by Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. This particular periodical essay was published between 1744 to 1746 and ran for 24 numbers. Yes, 24 numbers were published of this periodical essay, and it is the first periodical essay by a woman for women. Yes, it was the first periodical essay published by a woman for women. It was intended as a response to the periodical of Steele and Addison, and it is mainly focusing on the issues of female domesticity, society and female bonding. Three different things, three different themes we can say, on which this periodical essay was focusing on. It was female domesticity, society, and female bonding. So major part is here, major thing we can understand here is it is a response to male society. Yes, it is a response to male society, and it was particularly for women of London life. Then the Rambler was published between 1750 to 1752. Yes, 1750 to 1752. It was published with 208 articles. So total 208 articles published of the Rambler by Samuel Johnson. Samuel Johnson started this periodical essay, and it was published on 2 days a week, every week on 2 days, Tuesdays and Saturday. These 2 days were there on which this periodical essay was published by Samuel Johnson. So here we can make a short form TS only. Yes, for Rambler only TS. Then the main subjects, the main themes of this Rambler were politics, society, literature, morality, and religion. So these are the themes on which the essays were published in the Rambler. Then the Idler. The Idler is once again by Samuel Johnson. He is the owner of this periodical essay, and he published this periodical essay between 1758 to 1760, and every week it was published in Universal Chronicle. Yes, Universal Chronicle is the magazine in which this periodical essay was published, and it is a series of 103 different essays, from which 12 essays were written by Johnson. So, and other authors of this periodical essay were Thomas Wharton, Bennett Langton, and Joshua Reynolds. So Thomas Wharton, Bennett Langton, and Joshua Reynolds, these three people were there as authors with Samuel Johnson. But 12 essays were published by Johnson, that we have to remember particularly, total out of total 103 essays. So friends, here were the 5 different periodical essays we discussed about, and sometimes the major things asked from these is the publication year, the article numbers, the copies, and on which day these were published. Okay, so friends, remember this particularly. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you.